My name is Raechel Warren. I am a trade facilitation specialist here at Viterra. I work on the ingredients desk with DDGs. I help trade the commodity barges and vessels, so I get to track all the commodities that's traded through the Mississippi River and the Ohio River. And I also have customer relations in the Minnesota region. And yeah, I love being able to assist my traders every day.
Raechel, 50 leaders across North America, all members of the Viterra Women's Leadership Council, took part in a Clifton Strengths workshop. Why was this important to the Council?
I think this was such an important opportunity for the women, specifically here at Viterra, to take because it allowed us to really figure out who we are and why we are so crucial to the roles that we have here at Viterra. As an executor and with a strong executing theme, I know that my current role as a trade facilitation specialist, I'm in the right role because I'm able to help facilitate things. So I can kind of help herd the cats and I can help make sure that things get done when they need to. Working in commodities and on the ingredients desk, things move very fast. And so I know that I'm someone who can be organized, I can get things done, and I am able to time manage and make sure that, I have the responsibility to make sure that things get done when they need to get done. And I think it was so empowering for so many women in our group to be able to recognize that about themselves.
Raechel, going forward, what is your hope for this energized, equipped, self-aware group of leaders that make up Viterra Women's Leadership Council?
There are quite a few of us women here at Viterra and in the agriculture industry, and it's growing exponentially. I have a lot of friends across the state that are younger, going through school, but they're ready to rock and roll in ag, and I think it's super powerful, but we're still underrepresented. That's just kind of the way it is. That's okay. I think it's actually a really exciting time to be in agriculture as a woman, but because of opportunities like this, through the WLC and through your group, we can now be even more empowered as we take on a new transition into another big company, and we kind of know what we are capable of. I think, again, it's really empowering for women to know, okay, this is what I'm good at. I'm good at influencing, or I'm competitive and I have responsibility, and how can I take that into my next career path in agriculture, and how can I take that into a career field that's still predominantly male dominated? And again, I think that's great, but I think it's exciting because there are certain strengths that women bring to the table, but when we really know who we are, we can be even more powerful.